Jeffrey, why you keep... I say no. No, brother, no. I don't want no media involved in this thing here. You know the media mash up my life already. And my daughter life this year I talk about. I don't want to put this out in another space there at all. Stop asking me about that. If you want to help me, just keep it quiet. That's all I'm asking for you.
Why you don't just pay the money?
This is not how this works, Michelle. We have to have proof of life.
Proof of life? What do you mean? We have videos on the phone and we have pictures. What more you want?
Precisely, Michelle. That's just video and picture. That is not proof of life. You don't know how this really works, don't it? Have you ever had to deal with a kidnapping scenario before?
Oh no, it's not on my list of things to do.
Alright, Michelle. Let me tell you how this thing works, you see? First, them kidnap the victim. Then, them check out the victim background, obviously before. And them know who will pay immediately and who won't. They will give you some form of video, as we got, or pictures, but that doesn't mean anything. We need to have a conversation with Tiffany. We even have a video call with Tiffany. We need to know that Tiffany is alive. We're not going to just give her $20 million just so.
Oh, not going to give away 20 million just so. Because she's not your daughter, right?
What you really say a while ago, Michelle? After everything what you see me go through, everything we've been through, you tell me say that really come out your mouth?
All of this is because of you. All of this is because of you, Marcos. You and your dirty politician and your side jobs cause Tiffany feel in danger. And don't you dare send a child in, because she's not. What is $20 million?
It's 20 million US dollar we are talking about, Michelle. 20 million US. You think you're gonna stick up that and get somebody like that?
I would pay $20 million for the life of my daughter. And don't you dare forget, 12 of it is mine.